engineers and architects. Are you a professional and wondering why your clients are not being converted even after you are making such a beautiful 2D plan with all the Vastu taking into consideration? Or you are a student and you are thinking that what you have to do after the completion of your college, like in which field you want to make your career? Then I have a solution for you. Yes, guys, you can make your career in 3D modeling. Yes, and how it is going to affect the professionals? So just imagine the situation. Instead of just providing a 2D plan to your client, you are also providing them the 3D model of their dream house. Okay, then what is the chances of their conversion? Obviously, their chances of conversion will rise by at least of 70%. Yes, guys, at least of 70%. And this is not what I am saying, this is what the research is showing, so you can just google it. Okay, and for all the civil engineering students out there or the architecture students out there, 3D modeling can be a breakthrough in your career. Okay, so when it comes to 3D modeling, you must have a question: what software should I learn? There are so many softwares like the SketchUp, Revit Architecture, 3ds Max. Which one I should start with? Obviously, if you want to excel in any field, you must have the knowledge of each and every software that is there available in the market. But which one to start with? I can answer to that one. Yeah, the answer to start the 3D modeling is SketchUp. Yes, guys, it is very easy to use and you can make very beautiful 3D models using SketchUp. So let's go and see what is there with SketchUp to offer all of you. So guys, this is Om and Civil Center is all set to launch its new course on G+1 building 3D modeling using SketchUp. So I am going to show you a few details about SketchUp. So guys, let's start with the course content of this training program, that is G+1 3D modeling using SketchUp. So this will be a 15 hours of schedule, and in this you are going to learn what are the different processes of 3D modeling. So we have divided it in 4 different parts, like the requirements of the 3D modeling, study of architectural plan, drawing of rough images, selection of reference images, and how to import the drawing in the SketchUp, and after that how we can model in SketchUp. Even in the software, we have divided this in different subtopics, like we will introduce you to the SketchUp, we will guide you how you can create the templates, geometry in the 2D and the 3D, how you can study a 3D model, how you can restore, heal and create a surface, how you can create the geometry using the push-pull tool, how you can move the entities to manipulate the geometry, how you can use groups, how you can create 3D text, use the follow me tool, and how you can create and use components. Along with this, we will also talk about how you can mirror or array a model, how you can custom the doors and windows components, how you can cast shadow, how you can make a scene based walkthrough, how you can use the various components and the models of the 3D house, and how you can just manipulate and modify these 3D models in order to meet your requirement, and how you can design your handrail, parapet wall, boundary wall, elevation, paint bucket tool, how to use the texture and the materials, how to install and operate the free SketchUp plugins, and in the end we will also learn how you can render a 3D model. So for the rendering, we can either use a V-Ray or we can use the Lumion. Okay, so even in the render, we will not just render it, we will learn how to use the environmental lighting and how to render a photorealistic output. Okay, now let's see how you can get all these things and make a career as an interior or exterior designer. So guys, you can see over here we have the recorded session of the SketchUp, and in this recorded session we have all the videos pre-recorded over here, and we have also number of projects mentioned over here. So you can see this is one project on which we have taken the class, and the related files are uploaded into this folder. However, it is not over yet. We have already included 4 more projects, and in this I will just open up the folder. You can see we have the 2D plan, the 3D model, and also the rendered image of that 2D plan. So I'm just going to open one rendered image over here. So this is the final output of that project. Okay, so like this you will learn how to create such an output. And for that we also have uploaded the color codes over here that is used in this project. And similarly you can see we have added the 4 projects. So let's see the project 2, then we have the project 3, in which you can find the 2D plans of the ground floor and the first floor. You can find out the reference images. You can also find the sketch in this one and the color combinations, and all these are enough to create the 3D model, because the process of how to create a 3D model has already been explained in all these 17 videos. But this is not over yet. We have another project, project 4, and in this you can also learn how to render an image in the night mode. So daylight is there and in the night mode the rendered image is here. So you will also learn how to apply the lights in the building and how to apply lights in the vehicles. And like this we will keep updating this folder, and in this one you will get at least of 30 projects. Okay, so we are aiming of more than 30 projects in this one, and we have already prepared 15 projects in that, and all the projects will be uploaded soon. Also, how to render with Lumion is included over here in the form of videos, so you will not find any difficulty over here. But if you want to see what other things are there in this course, then you can always check out this playlist on 3D modeling using SketchUp. So you will have to simply just click on this link and it will open up the SketchUp tutorial for you, and over here you will find 83 videos, and this number will go on increasing, and over here you will find all the topics related to this and all the projects that has been uploaded over there. Also, whenever we are adding any new video over here, or you can say we are adding a new project over there, then we will inform you in a WhatsApp group. So you can see this is the WhatsApp group over here, and in this group it is not like we will just add you and leave you. You can just submit all the assignments over here and we will keep updating you with all the videos related to SketchUp that is being created by Civil Center. Also, you will be given different assignments over here and all your queries will be solved in this WhatsApp group. So now the big question is how you can get this course. I am sure that you are pretty excited for this course. So guys, we have made it affordable for you. So guys, you can just get each and everything that I've just discussed in just 499. Yes guys, this is just a small investment, but it will result in a big change in your career. So with this small amount of money, you can learn all the minute details of 3D modeling. You can master SketchUp and Lumion, and we will also include the V-Day in this course, and you will get recorded videos of more than 30 projects. Okay, and this complete course has been modified by me, so I can give you my personal guarantee that this will be one of the best investment of your career. So guys, what are you waiting for? Register yourself for this, link is in the description. I can't wait to see you as a member of this WhatsApp group.